Okay, 2018 Toyota 4Runner. Sitting here working on two pretty big dents that were one was right here, and the other was right there. And you can barely even see, if I can get my light, you can see. Come on. And they came out good. They're not perfect. They need to be color sanded, but they came out really good. You're not going to be able to see. One of them's right there, and you're not going to be able to see it like that. But they're not perfect. They were pretty big dents, and they were pretty big dents right there. And, they were pretty big dents, and but they're definitely not perfect. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. They're not. There's my tap down marks right there. There it is, right there. Right there. And so this is a very difficult dent to do. I had to take the door panel off and go through the bottom of the door, which means I had my light like this, and then I'm sitting here. And I'm going through sitting here like this. I'm going through the door like this, and I'm looking at it from far away. And this actually, you can see my tap down marks on it right there. The black lines going over, that's my tap down marks right there. And that's actually the bottom one. The top ones came out even better though. The top one's even better. It's just a little bit above that one. Came out even better. You can see my tap down marks, and it needs to be color sanded to make it perfect. So I'm going to work on it a little bit more and get it as the best I can. And I've been on it for about an hour. And then I've got another one down here that's below the other one down here that is below the center of the door, and you can see it right there. I got another. This one's going to be a lot easier, and I'll just go through the door. I'll go through this door. I'll go through this door right here. It's actually underneath the brace, and but this one's going to be a lot easier to do. This won't take anywhere near as much time, and so 2018 Toyota 4Runner.